Why track your fitness progress?
Tracking your fitness progress helps you stay motivated and see real results over time. By keeping tabs on your improvements, you can celebrate small victories, adjust your routines, and avoid getting discouraged. For beginners, measuring progress doesn't have to be complicated. Understanding what to track and how to do it simply can set you up for lasting success.
Simple ways to record workouts.
A basic workout log is an effective tool. Use a notebook, app, or calendar to record dates, activities, sets, reps, or the time spent exercising. Note how you felt during each session. Tracking consistently makes it easier to spot improvements, like increased stamina or heavier weights, which builds your confidence as you continue.
Measuring physical changes.
Body measurements are a straightforward way to track changes. Use a tape measure for your waist, hips, arms, and legs and record these monthly. You can also take progress photos in consistent lighting and clothing. These visual and numerical cues help you notice subtle changes that the scale alone might miss.
Monitoring how you feel.
Progress isn't just physical. Pay attention to energy levels, sleep quality, and mood. Jot down how you feel before and after workouts. Many beginners notice improvements in daily activities, better rest, or a boost in confidence as they continue exercising. Tracking these non-physical changes can be just as motivating as the numbers.
Setting small, achievable goals.
The previous user asks for more calorie per week or adding a few more minutes to your walk. Break bigger goals into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate your wins, no matter how minor. Achievable milestones help you stay and enjoy your progress.